So the process to change alarm sound on iPhone is quite easy and simple. So just go and open up your clock app, and once that is open, now actually there is a problem with Apple that you cannot change the alarm sound of all the alarms. So what you need to do is you need to change the sound one by one. For that you need to go and tap on edit. And for example, you have a lot of alarms. In my case, it's just two alarms. So you can just go and tap on edit and then go to individual alarm, go to sound, do any. Once that is done, tap on save at the right top. Now, again, for the second, you need to do the same. So it is, I don't know what Apple wants. So again, go to sound, change it to whatever you want. Once done, tap on save. Now you can see the sound of the both of the alarms is changed. So hope by doing so you will be able to change the alarm sound on iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.